Alright everybody, welcome back to another Arctic 650H1 video. In today's video, we are getting closer to putting the motor back in the frame. And one task we need to do is to replace the U-joint in the front. Now the U-joint connects to the drive shaft which goes to the front axle. Mine has a lot of play and we're going to change it while the engine is out of the frame to make it easier. So I got the U-joint right here. It's got those little clips. So clearly, obviously this is going to be way easier to do with the engine out, but what we need to do is get like a little punch or a screwdriver or something and knock all those little keepers out, and then we can work on getting the U-joint out. This is the first clip right here. Let me see if I can... Oh yeah, these are going to come out pretty easy. Yep. One. Two clips. So far what I found seems to work is to take a hammer, give it a good whack. You can see it's already coming out. We're gonna do the same on this side here. Bush league as fuck. Seems to be working. One. We got that one out too. Two. Try a tie rod remover. I don't think I can get the force on there. Maybe. Yep, definitely working. Well, that was pretty savage, but we got it out. Now we're gonna stick the new ones in and get this over with. Here's the old U-joint here that we got violent with.
You know, many years of being a submarine will do this in your ATV. Glad it wasn't even more corroded, otherwise she would have been really hard to get out. And one of the last things I did is I got some white lithium grease that I put on the splines there before we reinstall it.
Well, I'm gonna end the video there. I'm not too sure at this point in time filming it how good it turned out, because I had to use my drift camera, so only one angle, so not sure how it went. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. However, I had to bush league it to make it work. I tried using a Bessie clamp, I tried using a C-clamp. Something less evasive, it didn't quite work out the way I wanted to, so in the end I had to use a good old hammer and smash it. That's where a brass hammer comes in handy when you're going to reinstall it. A brass hammer is softer than the metal that you're hitting, so you will not damage it. Or if you use a steel hammer, it might. These are pretty darn inexpensive and can save your ass in the long run. Anyways, I'm gonna get going. We're ready to start putting the engine in, and the next set of videos will be dealing with the snorkel, the dial-a-jet module I got. We're also going to be doing a replacement cable on the winch eventually, suspension bushing, so there's still lots coming up to do on this Arctic Cat quad. I want to thank you guys for watching, so take care. And remember, sometimes if you don't have the right tools, you just gotta bush league it.